There are many products available to choose jack stand, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best jack stand from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Torin Big Red T43004. Made of cast aluminum with sturdy, flat bases, the Torin Big Red T43004 APX75 offer versatile and easily aligned support for your vehicle. A minimum height of 10 to 3 to 4 inches and a range of 5 inches make this pair one of the most useful on the market. Number 2. Sunex 1310. Square bases over a foot wide make the Sunex 1310, about 195, rock-solid choices for keeping your truck off the floor. These offer 7 height positions that are locked in place with pins and have circular feet that ensure they don't sink into soft ground. Number 3. Hein-Werner 93506. The ratchet column on the Hein-Werner 93506 APX 100 has strong teeth that provide plenty of height options. The body is pressed into form to limit the number of weld joints needed and therefore reduce the number of potential failure points. Number 4. OTC 1780. Manufactured with high-quality welds and strong enough to support up to a whopping 22 tons, the OTC 1780, APS EAS 169, safely hold even the heaviest vehicles securely in the air, while a flat, square base keeps them from sinking into gravel. Number 5. OTC 1778B. Featuring a 12-ton capacity, the OTC 1778B, around 217, is a professional-grade solution to safely keeping your car aloft in the garage. Its maximum height of 29 inches is dwarfed only by its sister model, which holds vehicles almost 4 feet in the air.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.